In this video, you are going to find the mean from a frequency distribution table using your calculator. You switch your mode to start. So you press mode, then you press 3, which has the start. Now when you get here, you can press AC because you've already switched. Put our frequency on because we are going to enter the frequency of the data. We first of all press shift, then we press mode, then we press down button, then we press 4, which has start. Here you are asked to put on, so we press 1 to put it on. The next thing is we press shift and we press 1, which has a start on top. Then we enter the data, so we press 2. So for the number of goals, we are going to enter the X button or the X section. So 0, then you press equal to 1, you press equal to 2, you press equal to 3, you press equal to, and then 4, you press equal to. Now by default, the calculator is telling you that everything has a frequency of 1, but you have to change it. So we are going to change the frequency. So the frequency of the 0 is 1, so you press 1, then you press equal to. The frequency of 1 is 5, then you press 5, you press equal to. Then the frequency of 2 is 4, you press 4, you press equal to. Then the frequency of 3 is 3, so you press 3, you press equal to. And the frequency of 4 is 2, you press 2, and you press equal to. So the next thing you do is you press AC. Press AC. Your data is not lost, don't worry. Then to find the mean, you press shift, you press start, then you press VAR, which is 4. Then you choose the mean symbol, which is 2. Now that is it. So just press equal to. Our answer is 2 on the calculator. So we have 2 also on our sheet. So that is it. So over here, we're going to find the standard deviation on the calculator. Now to do that, you press shift and you press 1, which has the start. Then you press 4. Then you press 3. That's the symbol for standard deviation. Now you have this, you just press equal to. So we have the value 1.154. Now to find the variance, what you need to know is that when you square the standard deviation, you get variance. So to get the variance on the calculator, you press shift again and press start. Then you move to 4. Then you press 3, which is the standard deviation. So you just press squared over here and it's going to give you your variance, so equal to. So this is your variance. Now I'd like to show you how to find the total frequency on the calculator after entering your data. So you press shift and you press 4. Then you press 4 again, which is your var. Then you press 1. The n here indicates the number or the total frequency, n. So our total frequency is 15. So that is it, 15. The next thing I would like to show you is how to find the total of the fx, or what we call sigma fx. Now to find sigma fx on a calculator, you press shift, then you press this one, then you press 3, then you press 2. So that is it. It has given you your total fx, so 30.